Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Facebook newsfeed preferences. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. When the app opens, tap on three bars on top right corner and scroll down and then tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. On Settings you have to scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Newsfeed Preferences. And here you will see four options. First, tap on Favorites. And you will see all the people, pages, groups you have set on favorites. These are the pages which you will see at the very top on your newsfeed. If you want to remove anyone from your favorites, then tap on three dots just beside their name and then tap on Remove from Favorites. And if you scroll down, you will see some suggestions to add to your favorites. You can also add pages to your favorites from here. When you are done, go back. Now tap on Unfollow. This page takes a few moments to load. And here you will see all of your friends, groups, pages you have liked here. Now tap on the page or a person you want to unfollow and it will be selected. I'll just quickly select a few. When you are done, just go back and these pages will be unfollowed immediately. Then tap on Reconnect. This page also takes a few moments. You will see all of the pages you have unfollowed earlier here. And if you want to reconnect with these pages, then all you have to do is select the pages you want to reconnect with and then go back. And lastly, you have snooze. From here you can restart, stop and add more time to your snoozes. Since I haven't snoozed anyone yet, this page is showing empty. And that's how you can change your newsfeed preferences. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.